In this video, we will learn about the types of work done by a body. The work done depends on the force applied on the body, displacement produced in the body, and the angle between the force and the displacement. Mr. Atul Malhotra from Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
Type of work done. Types of work done. As we know that the formula for the work done is FD cos theta. It means the work done depends upon the force applied on a body, displacement produced in a body, and the angle between the force and the displacement. If the angle lies between 0 and 90 degree, then the work done is positive. If the value of theta is 90 degree, then the work done is 0. Third, if the value of theta lies from more than 90 degree and less than or equal to 180 degree, then the work is said to be negative. Now we take two examples to understand how we can say work done is the 0. Suppose this is the planet of mass m and the radius r. Our satellite is revolving around the planet. A gravitational force is acting on the satellite, which is towards the center of the planet, and the satellite is moving in this direction. So the angle between the displacement vector and the force applied is 90 degree. So work done by the centripetal force is 0. Work done by centripetal force is 0. The second case is, suppose a block is kept on a rough surface, and when the motion will start in the block, then a frictional force is act on a body in the opposite direction. We can say frictional force Fs, or we can say Fk, which have their usual meanings. The direction of now the frictional force is opposite to the displacement. It means the value of theta is 180 degree and cos 180 is minus 1. It means the work done by this force is negative.
If the angle between the force and the displacement vector is between 0 and 90 degrees, then the work done will be positive. If the angle between the force and displacement vector is equal to 90 degrees, then the work done is 0. If the angle between the force and displacement vector is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then the work done is negative.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.